If you want to keep your ChatGPT conversations organized, renaming your chats is one of the easiest things you can do. Instead of scrolling through lots of automatically generated titles, you can give each conversation a clear name that's much easier to recognize later. To rename a conversation, open ChatGPT and look at the sidebar on the left, where you'll find your recent chats. Find the conversation you want to rename and move your mouse over it. You'll see a three-dot menu appear next to the title. Click those three dots, then select Rename from the menu. Type the new name you'd like to use, then press Enter, or click outside the text box to save it. The conversation will immediately appear with its new title, while all of your messages and responses remain exactly the same. You're only changing the name, not the chat itself. Use clear titles like Resume Ideas or Travel Planning so you can find chats faster later. And that's how you rename a ChatGPT conversation. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out my other ChatGPT guides for more simple tips and features.